Want to make your English essays look polished and professional? Here are some common spelling mistakes that many students make and how to avoid them. Fix these, and your grades might just thank you. It's without an apostrophe shows possession. For example, the cat licked its paw. It's with an apostrophe is short for it is. For example, it's a sunny day. THEIR for possession, THERE for location, and THEY apostrophe RE is they are. Affect is usually a verb, meaning to influence, like the weather affects my mood. Effect is mostly a noun, meaning the result. The effect of the rain was calming. These tips are crucial, so keep watching to catch even more common mistakes and make your essays shine. Remember to like and subscribe for more easy writing tips. Loose with one O means to misplace or be defeated. I don't want to lose my keys. Loose with two O's means not tight, like my shoes are loose. Use then for time sequences. I'll finish my homework, then watch a movie. Use than for comparisons. I'm taller than my brother. Try these tips in your next essay, and your writing will look sharper instantly. Like and subscribe for more tips to take your writing skills to the next level.